Alright, and I'm going based on what I saw. I feel like I should do two. I'm gonna, let me just do it anyways. Oh no, no. It's already twisted. Ooh. Alright. I don't even know. And from here, it's like, it'll make sense once I do it. Hold on. I think I should have peeled it, but whatever. Cut it to the stick. All right, and there we have it. The tornado potato. Calm down, calm down, calm down. It looks pretty. Not for the seasoning. Alright. Okay. So preheat oven to 325. Got this all spread out. I melted my butter. Got this little doohickey right here. And just do that. You crack every crevice. I feel like you want to get in between. And just right. I kind of broke that. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. Where's my seasonings? Oh, Italian. Well, first, ranch. I have a good feeling about this one. Okay. Okay. I just need you to touch. Alright, open up again. Thank you. And then black pepper. Again, Italian. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Alright, and that's one. Excuse me. You ain't seasoning, you ain't sneezing. This one I put all the same seasonings. No, I didn't. This one I put paprika and oregano. But anyways, $3.25 for 25 to 30 minutes. I was excited about these. Fish. You know, you cook. Okay, so I cooked these a little longer. Took them out sick from the air fryer. With some butter. It's not bad. A little salty, but yeah, I want to achieve the tornado potato.